with a 3-foot rule, we can get as many leads as we want. 3-foot rule means talk to anybody who comes within 3 foot from your distance. Every day we meet plenty of people, whether it's going when we go shopping or filling up the car or doing our deliveries, etc. Talk to anybody. It is essential to talk to your customers as well. Who would like to have a customer who says, oh, I just started Clean Easy last week and they didn't join with you? So it would be awful. Make sure that your customer knows that you are still in the business and you're always looking for new people. So if they are interested or they have someone who might be interested, they come back to you. With the preparation, we don't need to write down the exactly words which we say to the people. The most important thing is talk to the people with courage and passion about the business. You should have information tools in the car, as we have videos, CD, audio tapes, booklets, leaflets, car cards, 3-foot rule cards, everything. Be prepared that the people ask you, oh, can you give me some information, and you leave it straight away there. Also, what you should have, be prepared that when you get callers on the door, delivery people, salesperson, that you have information packs ready next to the door. So when you talk to them and you can pass the information on. Also important is that you have pen and pad next to the telephone for the salesperson which calls you from time to time. So be prepared for every situation. When you are waiting in a queue or at the till in the store, it doesn't really matter where you are. Hand off your little 3-foot rule cards which we have and just ask, do you know anybody who might be interested in earning a bit extra money? Would you please pass this card on? As we said, we don't need special skills. Just talk to people wherever you see them and they come in distance to you. We know it's more difficult as it sounds now, but when you have overcome your fears, it will become easier from time to time. Prospects are neutral. They only react whatever you say to them. It means it all depends on your first sentence. You have to break the ice first. For example, you ask, what are you doing for a living? So most of the people will answer and give you the same question back. Then you can either say, oh, I'm a Clean Easy agent, which means mostly the conversation will end very quickly. Or you can say, oh, I show people how to work part-time and get full-time paid, which makes it more interesting for the other people to say, oh, what is it all about? And you can pass the information on. Never go to a person and say, hi Joe, would you like to join my business? For example, start, hi Joe, I just found out how to retire early with a still growing income. If you would ever like to know more about it, I'll be glad to tell you. Meanwhile, let's go shopping, enjoy your gardening, whatever. The formula is, hi Joe, I just found out. If you would ever like to know more about it, I'll be glad to tell you, meanwhile. If you don't like to talk to complete strangers, just talk to your customer, as you already know the most of them, which makes it easier. And a lot of times they ask you, how are you doing? Then it's the best opportunity for you. Just say, oh, I'm great. We are very busy at the moment. We always look for new people in our team. Do we know anybody who is interested in earning a bit extra money? I always add, it hasn't got to be in your area. It can be in the whole UK, Ireland, and now Europe as well. And also, when you wear a badge, sometimes the people come to you and ask, what is it all about? And then it's your turn again. Just start talking. There are hundreds of different ways to use the 3-foot rule. Just let us show you a couple of common examples.
Hello, Mr. Milner. I've got delivery here in Elizabeth Sidewalk.
Yeah, okay, fine. Are you busy?
Yes, busy at the moment. Finish about 8 o'clock tonight.
Oh, it's quite late.
Yeah, it's not too bad, but I get used to it. 5 days a week.
Did you ever consider to work for your own, have your own business?
I thought about it, but starting at cost is a bit steep.
Oh, it's not in our business. We have a great business. I can give you some free information.
Okay, yeah.
And you can have a look in it. Have a look through and I'll give you a call in a few days. Can you write down your phone number and name, please?
Okay, no problem.
And I will see what you think about it. Okay, Robert, okay, fine. We'll speak to you in a few days.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Mrs. Evans. I come with your clean easy order.
Great, thank you. How much trolley are you?
21.96.
Oh, it all mounts up. There you go.
Yes.
How are you?
Thank you. Very busy, thank you. Very well. Busy. There's so much to do at the moment, especially in this time of the year.
Yeah.
Do you know anybody who might be interested in earning a bit extra money?
Yeah, I might do. What's involved?
It's a bit difficult to explain in 5 seconds. I've got some information in the car, a video for example, if I can leave it with you.
Yeah, go on then. Yeah,
1 second, I just get it.
Okay.
So here, for your information and the video.
Great, thank you.
It takes roughly 20-25 minutes, so it's
Right.
not very long. Is it okay when I give you a call tomorrow?
Yeah,
I've got
yeah.
your phone number already there.
Yeah?
Yeah?
No
Have a look
problem.
through and maybe someone comes into your mind.
Okay, great.
Thank
See
you.
what I can do.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care, bye.